Hey folks, I'm Laura from Cherubs Chalks Interiors. I'm here today to show you our latest flip. This time it's a rustic farmhouse style with an extra colourful vibe. This old kitchen dresser was very tired, beaten up and really not very appealing when I laid my eyes on it. However, I could see that it had potential, so I picked it up and got to work. It's solid pine throughout, so it's good quality and it has been well built, but I'm not a fan of that hardware, so that will be coming off. The first step of any project is giving it a real deep clean, so I'm starting off with some white lightning, which I've mixed in a spray bottle. I'm now going to wipe this with a microfiber cloth and remove all of that grime. I'm then going to rinse all over with plain water to remove the white lightning residue. Next up, I'm going to sand all over just to scuff up that smooth shiny varnish that the paint won't like to stick to. Now I need to fill in those old handle holes, so I've got some white Dixie mud and a spatula, and I'm simply going to fill, leave to dry and then come back and sand off that excess filler. The colour I've chosen is English Ivy. I've been so excited to try this shade from the Cottage collection of the chalk mineral paint line. I do love a green and this one is gorgeous. So I'm going to apply 2 coats of this over the entire piece using my premium chip brush, and then I'll leave this to dry overnight. Being as the cupboard doors are slatted on this piece and you may be able to see through into the inside, I'm painting the interior in the same colour. It's time to give this piece some age, and for that I'm going to wet distress. This process is a much cleaner method than if you sanded to distress, because that can create quite a mess. I used my mister bottle to soften the paintwork, and then I scrub at the edges using a rag. Of course, it's up to you how far you would like to go with the distressing. You can always soak the rag as well if you would like to remove more paint. If you've seen any of my other work, you'll know that I'm a wax girl. I just love the finish that it gives, and Best Dang wax is my absolute fave. So I'm going to seal and protect the whole piece using clear Best Dang wax before I age it up using some black wax. I apply 1 layer all over and then wipe off the excess with a rag. Now it's time for the black wax to add some depth and character. I'm going to apply this all around the edges and then blend in with another rag. So here is the finished piece looking gorgeous in green. This shade is so vibrant and lends itself so well to this grungy vintage style. I cannot wait to use English Ivy again. Let me know what you think of this makeover in the comments. And if you'd like to see more of our work, you can go and follow us on all of the social media platforms at Cherubs Chalks Interiors. You can also subscribe here on our channel to make sure you don't miss out when we post our next furniture tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next time.